2021, here are 5 popular online earning apps that were well regarded at that time. Swagbucks. Swagbucks offers various ways to earn money, including taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and playing games. Users earn Swagbucks that can be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal cash. Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform where users can offer a wide range of services, known as gigs, starting at $5. If you have skills in areas like graphic design, writing, programming, or digital marketing, you can offer your services and earn money. TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit connects people who need help with various tasks, like cleaning, moving, assembling furniture, and more, with individuals willing to complete those tasks for a fee. It's a way to earn money by performing tasks for others. Uber or Lyft. If you have a car and some spare time, driving for ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft can be a way to earn money. You can pick up passengers and earn fares for each ride you complete. Upwork. Upwork is a freelancing platform where you can find remote work opportunities in fields such as writing, design, programming, marketing, and more. Clients post projects, and freelancers bid on them based on their skills and expertise.